Looking for a mattress that balances comfort, support, and breathability? The DC-OL Ultra 12-inch queen hybrid mattress might be exactly what you need. With a medium firm feel, this mattress combines 4 distinct foam layers, including gel memory, foam, and comfort foam. These layers contour to the body while providing pressure relief where it matters most. As you sink in, the deeper layers respond with firmer support, delivering a truly customized sleep experience. What sets this mattress apart is its advanced cooling design. It features a finely woven, breathable fabric that keeps airflow steady and moisture at bay. Say goodbye to sweaty nights. The egg crate foam structure underneath adds even more airflow, allowing heat to escape easily. It's the perfect option for hot sleepers who need a cool and dry rest, even during warmer months. Support is another strong point. Enhanced coils and lumbar foam work together to prevent your hips or back from sinking too deep. Your spine stays aligned, and pressure is relieved all night. Each pocket coil is individually wrapped, meaning zero motion transfer. Even if your partner tosses and turns, you'll enjoy uninterrupted sleep. Reinforced edges also add stability, so you can stretch out without rolling off. And when it comes to safety, the DC-OL Ultra mattress checks every box. It's fiberglass-free and certipur-us certified for peace of mind. Plus, there's a 10-year worry-free warranty. Just allow 72 hours for full expansion after unboxing. For a mattress that supports you in more ways than one, this hybrid queen model makes an excellent choice. Finding a mattress that adapts to your sleep style and supports your spine isn't always easy, but the OFFTR-Z 12-inch queen hybrid mattress makes it simple. This medium-firm mattress is designed for pressure relief and proper spinal alignment, whether you sleep on your side, back, or stomach. The plush comfort layer includes low-resistance foam and gel memory foam that gently cradle your body while relieving tension in all the right places. Underneath that softness lies serious support. The Superior Zone Support System uses 8.5-inch high-compression pocketed coils and extra lumbar foam to target your hips and lower back. This prevents unwanted sinkage and helps reduce back pain by keeping your spine aligned through the night. It's a perfect match for anyone who wakes up sore or restless. Comfort doesn't stop at support. Thanks to its motion-isolating pocket coils and reinforced edges, this mattress offers undisturbed rest and a larger usable sleep surface. No more rolling into the middle or waking up when your partner shifts. The OFFTR-Z spring system combines strength and stability with softness, delivering that just right feel so many sleepers love. And with a 365-night home trial, there's no pressure to decide right away. The OFTR-Z Queen mattress is also certipur-us certified and comes with a 10-year worry-free warranty. Just let it expand for 72 hours before use. If you're looking for pressure relief, spine support, and peaceful sleep, this hybrid mattress delivers comfort without compromise.